Have you noticed that annoying feeling of something stuck in your throat whenever you cough? You then rush into a pharmacy and buy medications to get rid of this feeling, but still, days after, it just won't go away. So, how do you fix it? Well, there are natural remedies that can give you instant relief from excess phlegm and mucus. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best ways to clear phlegm and mucus fast. From home remedies to herbal supplements, this video will give you easy solutions to improve your comfort. Let's get started and take the first step toward relief. Starting our countdown at number 10 is hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial when it comes to managing phlegm. Proper hydration not only helps to thin out mucus, but also supports your overall respiratory health. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day can help keep mucus thin and easy to remove. This makes it less likely for mucus to build up in your airways, reducing discomfort and the risk of infections. Drinking water can flush out toxins more effectively. This will also flush mucus that is clogging up your airways. But water alone isn't the only way to stay hydrated. Consider incorporating herbal teas like chamomile or ginger tea. These herbal teas also have anti-inflammatory properties. They can soothe irritated tissues in your throat and nasal passages. Clearing the passages will make it easier for you to breathe. Remember to gargle too. Saltwater gargles can soothe a sore throat and help loosen mucus. Mix a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle away. It might not taste great, but it can help. Coming in at number 9 is steam inhalation. Breathing in steam can also work wonders for loosening up thick phlegm. You can try this at home by leaning over a bowl of hot water with a towel draped over your head. It works because the steam opens up your nasal passages and makes coughing or blowing out mucus easier. You can just take a hot shower and let the steam do its magic. Hot showers can relax tense muscles and solve body aches. This can provide you relief when feeling under the weather. Try adding a few drops of eucalyptus oil to your steam session. Studies in the journal Metabolites found that eucalyptus oil contains cineol, which can help break up mucus and reduce inflammation in your airways. You can also experiment with different essential oils, such as peppermint or tea tree oil. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which can provide a cooling sensation and help open up your airways. In contrast, tea tree oil offers antimicrobial properties that can aid in clearing out any lingering germs. Always dilute essential oils properly and do a patch test if you're new to using them. Next up at number 8 is herbs. Licorice root is a less common but equally effective remedy. It forms a protective film over your mucous membranes that can help relieve inflammation and irritation in your throat and lungs. It also contains glycyrrhizin, a compound known for its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice during cold and flu season. Another herb that shouldn't be ignored is elderberry. A study in the journal Nutrients found that elderberry can significantly reduce the duration and severity of cold symptoms, including cough and mucus production. This is due to the high levels of antioxidants and immune-boosting compounds in elderberries. Lastly, let's not forget marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a natural demulcent that can soothe inflamed tissues. Because of its mucus-relieving properties, it's often used in cough syrups. Coming in at number 7 are breathing techniques and exercises. Specific breathing techniques can be powerful tools in the fight against mucus buildup. Let's start with 2 effective coughing techniques: huff and deep. Huff coughing involves taking a deep breath and then exhaling forcefully with an open mouth. This helps dislodge mucus from your airways. Conversely, deep coughing starts with a deep breath followed by a cough from the depths of your lungs. This method is excellent for mobilizing and clearing out stubborn phlegm. And remember, diaphragmatic breathing. This technique encourages deeper breaths, allowing for better oxygen exchange and lung expansion. Doing this breathing exercise will result in improved mucus clearance. For nighttime relief, try sleeping with your head elevated. A simple adjustment can prevent mucus from getting stuck in your throat, reducing nighttime coughing and discomfort. At number 6, we have environmental factors and lifestyle changes. Your home environment might hold the secret to breathing easier and feeling better. First, let's discuss humidity. Dry air can irritate your nose and throat, producing more phlegm. Humidifiers add moisture to the air, helping to keep your mucous membranes happy. Studies show that using a humidifier can help keep your mucus thin and relieve your cough. Remember to change the water daily and clean it regularly to avoid mold growth. But it's more than indoor air we need to think about. The quality of outdoor air matters too. On days when the air quality is poor, it's a good idea to wear a mask or stay indoors. This can help prevent irritants from triggering more mucus production. Let's not forget about your home. Keeping your living space clean and free from allergens can go a long way toward reducing phlegm. One easy step is to regularly change your HVAC filters. Moreover, air purifiers with HEPA filters should be considered. These can help remove more allergens and irritants from the air, reduce mucus production, and improve overall breathing. At number 5, we have peppermint tea. Ever wonder why some people seem to recover from colds faster than others? The secret might be in their cup. Peppermint tea has menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant. When you sip peppermint tea, the menthol helps break down mucus, making it easier for your body to get rid of it. It also soothes your throat, relieving that annoying tickle that often comes with excess mucus. Additionally, peppermint contains antioxidants that support your immune system, which is especially helpful during cold and flu seasons. Steep fresh peppermint leaves or tea bags in hot water for about 5 minutes. For an extra boost, try adding a spoonful of honey. Honey is a natural expectorant that helps loosen and remove mucus. The combination of peppermint and honey tastes great and doubles the mucus-fighting power. Remember, consistency is critical. For the best results, try drinking 2 to 3 cups of peppermint tea throughout the day. Next on our list is avoiding cigarette smoke. We've explored various ways to fight phlegm, but sometimes the most powerful remedy is what you avoid. Cigarette smoke is a significant irritant to your lungs and respiratory system. When you breathe in smoke, it damages the tiny hair-like structures in your airways called cilia. They are your body's natural cleaning system, helping to sweep mucus and debris out of your lungs. When damaged, mucus can build up, leading to more coughing and congestion. Moreover, secondhand smoke is harmful too. Even if you don't smoke, being around others who do can irritate your airways and increase mucus production. If you smoke, consider quitting. And if you're not a smoker, try to avoid places where people are smoking. When you're out and about, look for smoke-free areas to relax and socialize. It's also worth noting that other forms of smoke can also be irritating. Wood smoke from fireplaces or campfires and even strong cooking odors can trigger mucus production in some people. At number 3, we have clear broth. Clear broth isn't just a comforting drink, it's a powerful tool in your fight against stubborn phlegm. When you sip on warm, clear broth, you do more than enjoy a tasty beverage. The warmth helps to break down mucus, making it easier for your body to get rid of it. Making clear broth at home is easy and affordable. Start with a base of chicken, beef, or vegetable stock. For several hours, you can use store-bought stock or make your own by simmering bones or vegetables in water. Drink your broth while it's still hot to get the most benefit. When you're feeling congested, try to have at least 1 cup of clear broth a day. You can sip it slowly throughout the day or enjoy it as part of a light meal. Remember, clear broth isn't just for when you're sick. Making it a regular part of your diet can help keep your respiratory system healthy and functioning well. It's a simple, natural way to support your body's ability to clear out mucus and stay healthy. Nearing the top of our list, at number 2, is warm compress. A warm compress is a simple yet effective way to fight mucus buildup and soothe your throat. Warm compresses work by increasing blood flow to the affected area. This increased circulation helps to break down mucus, making it easier to expel. The warmth also relaxes the muscles in your throat and chest, which can reduce discomfort and make coughing up phlegm easier. It's like giving your respiratory system a gentle, soothing massage from the outside. To use a warm compress for relief, start by soaking a clean cloth in warm water, ensuring the temperature is comfortable to avoid burning your skin. Wring the excess water so the fabric is damp but not dripping. Place the warm cloth over your chest and throat area and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the best results, repeat this process a few times daily, especially before bed. Finally, at number 1 is drinking vitamins. When you drink vitamins, you're giving your body a boost of antioxidants. These antioxidants can help break down the proteins in mucus, making it thinner and easier to expel. Vitamin C can help strengthen your immune system, which is crucial when fighting a cold or dealing with allergies. But vitamin C isn't the only player in this game. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, can also help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Adding them to your daily routine can give you an edge in fighting phlegm and mucus. Now, why drinking vitamins is so essential? When you're congested, your body works overtime to fight off whatever's causing the problem. It's important to note that while drinking vitamins can be helpful, it's not a replacement for a balanced diet or medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. especially if you have any health conditions or are taking medications. And there you have it, the 10 best ways to clear phlegm and mucus fast. Remember, sticking with these remedies for the best results is important. Your body needs time to respond to these natural treatments. But if you're not feeling better after trying these methods, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for updates on our latest health tips. We'd love to hear from you. Do you have any other tips for clearing phlegm and mucus fast? Leave a comment below. Also, please consider showing your support with a super thanks. And don't forget to check out our merchandise for some cool stuff.